You have to understand, I'm a hustler. I'm a legit entrepreneur. I sell things.
They're using drug dealers to get you to get a COVID vaccine now? What's going on? Okay, guys. So I just saw this ad. It got Donkey of the Day. Charlemagne gave it Donkey of the Day a couple days ago. And I'm going to check it out. You know, they haven't said it's a drug dealer, but people are saying it's a drug dealer. It's getting a lot of backlash across social media. I think it's really hilarious, but I'm going to play it and react to it. So let's go.
During the pandemic, my lifestyle drastically changed. My income came to a screeching halt. You have to understand, I'm a hustler. I'm a legit entrepreneur. I sell things. I come in contact with people all the time. I have to stay safe. I didn't have a choice but to trust the vaccine. If you live the type of lifestyle that I live, you out here in these streets and you hustling, an entrepreneur like me, why not do it safely? So I want everybody to take this seriously. Take a shot at staying healthy. Get the vaccine.
I don't even know where to start. It's so interesting because there's so many things that it shows. It shows desperation from the state that they're posting this, but like, yeah, everybody get vaccinated. Absolutely. It's important to get the message out, like for people to get vaccinated. I'm a pro-vaxxer. The people that are anti-vaxxers, CNN really is really like aggressively coming after anti-vaxxers, right? If you don't want to get vaccinated, that's your prerogative. But this commercial trying to get people convinced, especially black people, because black people don't trust the government for reasons that I'm sure people understand. Black Lives Matter. But I don't even know what in the ratchet is this commercial right here. Like, okay, so he says he's a hustler. I sell things. Like, what do you sell? All I'm going to say is they're trying to be relatable. They're speaking in the lingo of the consumer that they're trying to target. So this is two things, right? Relatability and targeted marketing. And that's what we see a lot more of, especially in this digital era. This ad is going to be fed out to the black communities. Probably, they'll push it out to the black community so people can, be encouraged to get vaccinated. And what they have said essentially is that a lot of people in the black community are hustlers and they sell things. It's what Arkansas is saying. Very funny ad. I don't know what else to say to it about it, but how you can take this information and use it with your business is to be comedic. Don't be offensive. Some people could take offense to this, borderline offensive, but be comedic, be relatable, and be highly targeted. Target your ads very specifically. So that's my take on this commercial. I think it's hilarious. So yeah, let me know if you have any comments. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. If you're new here, my name is Kenim, and like, follow, subscribe. This video is brought to you by Brand Video Pros Members Lab, an online courses that teaches you how to increase your influence and sales as a content creator and an entrepreneur. So go check that out. The link is down below. If you're watching on YouTube, and it's in my bio if you're watching on Instagram. Yeah, so see you next time. A peace.